Welcome to Rockville.
Guys, feast your eyes on the class of 1981 Suzuki RM125 full floater. This thing's an absolute ripper. Just did the Instagram video, 12 o'clock, it up the driveway. A little higher than I like to get at 60 years old. But guys, this bike came out when I was 16 years old. I'm 60 now. And I'd say it's aged a lot better than I have. No wrinkles on this one, man. This thing is as fresh as a daisy. That's original seat cover, original rims, date coded 1981, are perfectly straight, original spokes, original pegs, shifter, brake lever, all original running gears in remarkably good condition. So starting with that, no one's ever been into the engine on this thing. Original top end, it's never been serviced. It runs like a rocket. Let me give you a quick demo on it, then I'll give you the details on it. But super, super rare piece. So in 1981, I still had my RM100, my 79, and I was a big kid. I was 6'2" at 16 years old. So I went right from the RM100 to the RM250. I wish I could time travel back and in 81 got one of these, because I think I would have cleaned up on it. I was winning everything at Southwick in the one of the last 4 motos as a C-class rider on my RM100 in 1979, July 4th weekend, and broke my leg the weekend after that. So that screwed up that season. But 81, I was back at it. In 82, I got an RM250 and was top 5 in the B class in NESC. Very, very competitive stack classes back then with guys like Doug Henry and a lot of other real fast guys. But in any event, this is a really, really rare survivor. Has the original date code 1981 wheel sets on here that are perfectly straight. The original foot pegs, original shifter, original brake lever, original exhaust. This is, the previous owner told me this is the original seat cover on here, which if that's the case is proof this thing's got no time on it. The original fuel tank is in mint condition. It's got new graphics on it. It was given a comprehensive full frame off cosmetic restoration. It was taken right down to the chassis. The chassis was painted the original automotive quality gloss black. The complete engine was repainted. The exhaust was repainted. The radiators are repainted. The rims were cleaned and polished. You got a brand new front tire on there and tube. The front brakes are redone. The fork lowers were stripped of the clear coating and polished the original sheen. New fork boots, new fork seals, brand new front fender, new front number plate, brand new set of Renthal bars with a Suzuki, period correct Suzuki logo, crossbar pad, brand new set of ODI waffle grips, new clutch perch and lever, new brake perch and lever, new clutch cable, new side number plates, new rear fender, and a brand new set of graphics on here. Steiger Designs, Christy, my honey, did the graphics for it. The original style graphics. New gold chain and tire, maybe an hour ride time total since the frame off. All on the street. It hasn't been ridden in the dirt. Once you do one up like this, you realize how much work it is. Like, dude, I don't want to get it dirty. So, but I have, trust me, I got my dirt bikes that we ride off road, but this one is just no one's ever been into that engine. There's not been no one's ever had the top end off this engine. It's original factory engine, indicating this thing's got low hours. Did you show them the frame rails yet? Frame rails are nice and clean. They're not all bashed in. Pegs are perfectly straight. It does have a tear in the chain guide right here, aluminum chain guide right here. Looks like it might have hit a rock and got bent in, and they straightened it out. But other than that, the original graphics on the swing arm, pretty remarkable. Not too many 81s come up, and we've been doing this a long time, and I think this is our first or second really, really, really clean low-hour RM125. The first one, I think, was an original that had never been ridden, if I'm not mistaken. I'd have to go on to YouTube and punch in Kaplan 1981 RM125. You can do that too and see, but we haven't had a bunch of these. It's a very expensive process to buy one barn fresh off a Facebook marketplace and do a frame up on it. Unless you've done one, basically the whole bike is going to be exploded and take over your entire garage, and there's parts everywhere. Unless you know what you're doing, it can be a daunting process. This one's done. If you want to take it to the next level and race it at ARMA, you could build the motor, put Race Tech suspension on it, whatever you want to do, but this, or hang it from the roof of your garage or your man room, or put it on display in the museum. That's where it's going. It'll be on the 3rd floor of the New England Motorcycle Museum, along with some other premium Suzukis from this area. It's up for sale. If you have any questions about it, give us a call at 860-454-7024. Wizard went right through it. It's got brand new twin filters. It has twin air filters, not twin air filter company, but twin air filters, one on this side and one on this side. Car's been rebuilt with new fuel lines, new fuel drain lines, jetted, new spark plug, new gear lube, new coolant, all coolant, new gear lube, running fresh VP fuel. Just a spectacular machine. And it hauls ass. This thing, I almost flipped it in the Instagram video. I wasn't covering the rear brake. I didn't expect the 12 o'clock coming up the driveway in 3rd gear, but it did. So trust me, these things have plenty of horsepower if you keep them on the pipe. It used to be fun watching guys like Joe Keller and Jim Meenan just ripping on these things at Southwick. Spectacular motorcycle. Thanks for watching, and God bless America.